I'll see you in my next one, and guys, I can't say this. Oh my god. But yes, I hope you guys really see this look. Wait.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channels. So today I have a very dramatic prom makeup look for you guys because I know the proms are right around the corners right now, and maybe some of you guys looking for like a special makeup or any makeup artist to do your makeup so you can look really slay on your prom night and for your date as well. And today I have some look very dramatic as well, super glittery, super like blinding highlighter. And I think it's not that hard to do and it's not that easy, but I'm pretty sure all you guys can do this because most that I use like the eyeshadow palette, I'm pretty sure you guys already own it. But yes, I really keep it really dramatic and everything just really complement each other's. And yes, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys would like to see how I get this makeup glittery look for prom, please keep on watching. So in this one we do gonna need the tape. It could be any scotch tape or anything, but today I'm gonna be using this tape right here to just get their edge sharp. Alright, so it's right there. As you can see, my nails is looking so cute. This is the new glitter from MAC Cosmetic. So start off, I'm gonna be priming my eyelid with the Urban Decay Primer Potion eyeshadow base. Alright, so after you get your lid prime, I know it's looking a little weird right now, but trust me, it's gonna come out nice. So for today I think I'm gonna be doing something a little bit more like glittery with red lips. It's just like, I feel like it's just really match, or you can change the lip color into like nude or anything, but that's totally fine. So I'm gonna be using this one right here. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. We're gonna be using most of these color. We're gonna be trying to keep it the only one palette, so it's not gonna make it too complicated for you guys. So the first color, I'm gonna start with this one right here. So I forgot to mention to you guys, so I used this color just earlier, and then I topped with this little one right here in the crease, and then now I'm gonna be using the color next to it to blend up. So now after you get this, I'm gonna do the cut crease. I'm gonna cut it all the way, not just half. I'm just gonna cut it all the way like a half moon across my eyes. For the cut crease, I'm gonna be using the MAC Select Cover Up in the shade NC30. Okay, so after you get this cut crease, I'm gonna be putting a glitter glue. So for today glitter glue, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced glitter glue, this one right here. So I squeeze it a little bit in my hand. I'm gonna be using any flat brush to apply the glue. After you finish applying the glue, I'm gonna be using the MAC glitter. This is the part of their new collection as well. This one is in the bronze right here. So that's the glitter full on the lid. So, oh my god. I'm gonna be cleaning up a little bit on my lashes and a little bit on my face because I do have some of them on my face, but it's not as much as any thing. Just to double secure, I like to use my finger to just press the glitter down to the lid. You don't have to do this hard or it's really unnecessary, but it's just the way I like to do it. So I'm gonna be finishing my other eyes and I'm gonna go to the next step. Alrighty, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys really like it. So I want to mention some of the stuff that I went off camera and what I did. So when I went off the camera, I was finishing up on this eyes and throw on some lashes and also a wing liner. And I went to finish up my full face foundation. Everything is pretty much the same. Nothing really changes that much. And I just went to throw on some really gold, like really pure gold highlighters. And also for my lips, I use a 3 combination. So first, I line my lips with the Patrick Star, the collaboration with MAC. This one is in the shade mahogany. So it's this kind of like brownish red, like this kind, pretty much like mahogany color. And second, I use the MAC lip liner in the shade Hoover. So after this, I line my lip and then all over the lips, and then I use this color to blend in the color to look something like that. So I blend in the color to look something like that. So after, I use the liquid lipstick from the Anastasia in the shade Hudson. This minute one right here. And I put it on top of it and then just blend everything together to just kind of like get like the nice nude like pink color. So it looks something like that. So that's what pretty much I had on my lips. And also I went to throw on the highlight that I want to mention that right now I've been really upset to is the Physician Formula. What is this? The Molu Molu Butter Highlighter. So this thing, it's like really smells like really coconutty. If you have like the bronzer, the butter bronzer, that what exactly smells like. And this one they have, I believe they have 2 or 3 shades of this, but the one I got is in the shade Champagnes. So it's really golden, it's really yellowy, but it's not anything like that bad like what pretty much I have on my lids and pretty much like whatever that I highlighted on my face. And this thing is soft, like very soft, very remind me of like the ColourPop eyeshadow. So it's like really smooth, and then if you press it like that, I mean it's like that. So this is what you get on your finger, and when you swatch this, oh my god, super smooth, super shiny. I really love this because it's really complement my skin undertone. So for it in my corner, in the corner, I use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Midnight Cowboy to pretty much like highlight my inner corner, just because there's already like glitter in the top. So I really want my inner corner to be really glittery as well, to really like complement the look. So for the mascara, I use the Maybelline Total Temptation. This one is one of my favorite as well. I like to use this on my upper lash and especially my bottom lash. And for the lashes, I actually lost the box of these, but I believe it's the Aurora or something. It's this brand right here, but it's not in this style. It's something a little different, but I think it's in this brand right here, Aurora, but I'm not quite sure which kind of style because it's not in the box or it doesn't say the name anymore, so I'm really sorry about that. But pretty much like any dramatic eyelashes will do, anything like a full mink effect will really do this look. But yes, you guys can switch the lipstick out to be like something like red color or gloss or nudie or more nude than this. You guys doesn't have to be in this color, but I just really like how everything is really complementing each other. So I hope you guys really like this look, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channels, and let me know if you guys want more of the prom makeup look down in the comment below. So before you leave, please don't forget to check out in my description box to see all the products information that I use in this video. Oh, and also I've been trying in this video, I also did try out the new Laura Mercier what is this, the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Mine is in the shade 3Ws. It's like really warm, a little bit yellow undertone. It's really great for under eyes, and I tried it and I would say I really like it. It's not anything like the one in this Tarte Shape Tape, where that one is a little bit more full coverage and really matte. But this one is also very full coverage as well. But it kind of feel really hydrating because it's not like completely matte, which is really beautiful finish. And also the new one I tried today is the NARS. What is it called? The Soft Velvet Loose Powder in the shade Beach. A little bit more like a hint, a really tiny hint of yellow. And we'll see how this one will lock on my face, but I'm pretty sure this thing, it's not a flashback, or it's not anything like it will give like the flashback, because you know when you do the makeup prom, you're gonna do a lot of taking photo, so you don't want any flashback because you don't want to look like a ghost in your picture, right? Yes, I hope you guys love this look. If you guys recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on my social media. I will leave it down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!